What is force? Objectives. Define force. Describe what force can do to objects. Describe the two main categories of forces. Force. A force is a push or pull in a particular direction. It results from an object's interaction with another object. Pulling is the force you exert to move something closer to you. When you pull a block, it moves toward you. The opposite of pulling is pushing. Pushing is the force you exert to move something away from you. When you push a block, it moves away from you. What can force do? A force can make the object move. An ice hockey player uses a force to move the hockey puck. A force can change the direction of a moving object. A volleyball player uses a force to move the ball in a different direction. A force can make a moving object to speed up. A cyclist uses a bigger force to pedal her bicycle and increase its speed. A force can stop a moving object. A baseball player uses a force to catch the ball and stop it from moving. A force can change the property of a material. A baker uses a force to change the shape and consistency of his mixture. What are the two main categories of forces? Two categories of forces. There are two main categories of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces result from two objects touching each other. Dribbling a basketball, kicking a soccer ball, hitting a shuttlecock. Non-contact forces act on an object without coming into contact with another object. Gravitational force. Magnetic force. Electrostatic force. Magnetic force. Magnetic force is a force that attracts or repels magnetic objects. It is the push or pull exerted by a magnet. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force by which an object attracts another object towards itself. The Earth pulls objects towards itself due to its gravitational force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is the force that exists between electrically charged particles. Check for understanding. What is force? What can force do? What are examples of the two main categories of forces?
Thanks for watching our channel Tech Academy. Like, comment, and subscribe.